Hey everyone, this is a special bonus for September. I had planned on doing a bonus for September, but a couple things happen in threes, and I thought I should pay attention. If you're watching on YouTube, we have Nini here today. She wanted Snuggie time. My computer is currently down, and so I'm having to improvise and get a shot of the cat tree in the background. The three things that happened were I posted on LinkedIn something about goal setting, and someone listed everything that was wrong with 2020. And I responded, you know what, you have a choice. You can either focus and be optimistic or not. And then I listened to my break when I have that little check in that I do during the summer that happened in July. And I thought, did I do this wrong? Because I didn't focus and give hope during all the corona and everything. And I was very conscious about that. I thought, where the attention goes, the energy flows, and I don't want to focus on that. And I don't want people to continue to see it and are bombarded by it daily. And then the third thing that happened is I was in a Facebook group, and someone posted that they were going to have to move. They had just moved here not too long ago, and her husband, they were eliminating his job, but to keep him in his job, they were going to transfer him to a new city. So people came up with multiple. I was like, wow, I wouldn't have thought of that, and really great suggestions, but immediately, took no time to consider it, shot down what was wrong with every single idea. And so what I just want to do in this short little bonus episode is to remind you, what are you focusing on? If you lost your job, then that's your goal for the year. That's still a goal to get a new job. Where the attention goes, the energy flows. If you are suffering, and remember, I believe it's Buddhists that say that suffering is a choice because your mind makes you suffer. We are in complete control of that, whether or not we choose. We always have a choice. So I want you to think about, where are you putting your time and energy? What are your thoughts? What are they focusing on? And again, this is never ever to diminish anything that you're going through. But my point is, if you are worried about getting a job, is that going to help you find a job? I would argue probably not. If you are concerned about the coronavirus, and I think most of us are, is it going to stop it if you spend all your time focused on it? And there's a difference between staying informed, like I'm always checking in, usually weekly, to see what the governor has to say to make sure that I'm compliant. I mean, I've been wearing a face mask even before it became mandatory here. We even practice social distancing. So I'm just keeping informed with what I need to know. So I just want you to think, as we continue the last 4 months of this year, you still have goals and dreams, and adjust where you need to. So I have virtually no business. A little bit of shot of a cat rear in there that Nini thought I was boring and had to leave. So what did I do? I thought, well, I'll write more journal prompt books. I focus on getting my mother healed and better and back to 100% than on what happened to her. And so I just want you to think, as we take these last 4 months, and I know I'm like, hey, 2021 can't come soon enough, but I want you to be aware, where are you spending your thoughts, your energy, your time and effort? And then see if that could use some tweaking. See if you can be more positive, and what action do you need to take? Even when I was in that horrible year of 2018, I tried every day. I didn't succeed. Some days I just couldn't, and I didn't beat myself up about it. What can I be grateful for today? I can be grateful for Tony. Absolutely. I can be grateful for the cats. Absolutely. I can be grateful I have a roof over my head. So I encourage you, focus on the things you can control and change, which are your thoughts and actions and all that good stuff. And remember, worrying and stressing out isn't going to help you. It's going to add more stress, and it's not going to help you accomplish what you want. So just be very aware. What are you putting your time, energy, and effort into? Go out, clear your clutter to create the life you choose, deserve, and desire.